Get on the track.
Like what, like damn. Gang, gang, gang. Gang, gang. Look.
I gotta swerve, yeah, it's my turn. You know I'm in the V and you know I see the curve and I'm gonna go over it cause that's how Big T do, that's how Big T move, that's like the keypad, that's how I groove. Yeah, I'm up in the damn crew and you know I'm gonna slice it, you know I'm gonna cut it like slices. You know I need the piece, I need the damn pie, maybe all of it. I need the damn crew, she gon' swallow it. You know I gotta get to the top, next and damn less. You know that I'm the best and you know I see you and you looking real less. Ew.
Look, who the motherfucker still broke? You, never hustle, never will blow. You, who's the latest underrated in the game and who's the greatest? The answer was, y'all know, yeah. Who the motherfucker still broke? You, never hustle, never will blow. You, who the latest underrated in the game and who the greatest? The answer was my name. I know, true. Cleveland got my back, I put the weight.
You said what?
Then he just said, I won't blow you, or some shit like that, right?
Oh, that's what he said.
Y'all know, yeah. Who the motherfucker still broke? You, never hustle, never will blow. You,
Wait,
Never hustle, never will blow.
you.
That's what he said.
Yeah. Nah, yeah, I thought it was something else. It kind of sounded like he was directing that energy to like somebody. Like, I would never blow you. Like, he would blow other people, but he wouldn't blow you. The person he's talking to. That's what it sounded like. I don't know.
Okay. I'm just saying.
Yeah.
Me personally. I don't know like where your head is at, but
Oh, so you one of those niggas that could just rap along with your favorite rapper when he be like, I'll blow a nigga down, like, you feel me? I got.
But that's not what the nigga said.
I got 2 dicks for my ARs. I'll put the dick in the mouth.
Gotta keep it. Damn. Glock with a dick in my lap. I'm in traffic.
Oh, so you like the Glock dookie?
Glock doogie nose.
You got a Glock dookie with a dick on it.
Nope.
still broke. You, never hustle, never will blow. You, who the latest underrated in the game and who the greatest? The answer was my name. I know, true. Cleveland got my back, I put the weight of that on my shoulder. I'm insomniac, so I can't take a nap when I'm sober. They say sleep is the devil, I just been friends with Jehovah. Stop sleeping on me, I just broke bread with Hova. I'm talking Jigga man, 100 fucking million man, 100 hustlers at Puff's crib, no civilians there. Do not get it twisted, cause I never post the pictures, man. I'm living the life you haters picture on the Instagram. Now these
I'm talking to you. How you feel about that?
He owns all the pictures that they like.
What?
I don't know. Wait, what you said? What you said? He said
million man,
something
100 hustlers at Puff's crib, no civilians there. Do not get it twisted, cause I never post the pictures, man. I'm living the life you haters picture on the Instagram.
That's a fact. I'm not gonna lie. Niggas definitely be watching from the sidelines, wishing that they were in your position. So that's a fact. Where when you do a lot of unique and epic shit in life, people would want to be you. Facts.
Orange slices.
Twisted cause I never post the pictures, man. I'm living the life you haters picture on the Instagram. Now these rappers trying to floss, I see. Flirting with temptation, they Diana Ross, I see. And I heard the names was fake and must have lost ID. And they must be employees cause they ain't boss like me. Kells, I call a flexi, drop a bomb on it. Pick a song, bet I get everyone in they mime on it. Pick a city, I bet I show up and it's people screaming. And that's any given Sunday, I call that really beaming. And I'm really speeding. Lot of warning signs I ain't really reading. People wanna sound like I'm LA reading. I'm smoking this LA weed while I'm ducking LAPD. Fucking hoes, UCLA foreign exchange students, European. Champagne is European.
I feel like you're not feeling it. So you're not clapping European hoes?
Yeah, I'm clapping you. Yeah.
From LA?
From where?
Smoking LA weed. Signed to LA weed.
Never to LA Reid.
Why is that? What's your beef with LA?
Oh nah, I mean, if I came up as an artist, I would try my best to be independent. I'll probably just sign like distribution deals and shit like that. But I'll try my hardest to be independent and not be signed to LA Reid. You feel me? I'll try to keep it in the black community. You feel me? A lot of times, black culture, you know, the niggas get targeted and then people profit off of us. And it usually ends up in the same communities, you know, European, Jewish. Let me not say too much though.
LAPD fucking hoes, UCLA foreign exchange students, European. Champagne is European. All of my bitches peeing.
See, that's why I think the real reason why you mad, right? He has European hoes. His champagne is European, and his hoes be peeing. Your hoes don't be peeing. Like your hoes got STIs. That's why you mad at him. That's not his fault that your hoes got STIs.
I'm not gonna lie. I'd rather hang with mad Caribbean guys versus European, and there's no for me beef between. It's just that's what I'm used to. That's what I'm comfortable with, and Caribbean girls know how to party. And shit, they
going on all fours, and then
they
riding you
yeah,
on
all fours. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
They didn't get that joke because we did a previous reaction and it was in that when we tried to react to MGK Till I Die and there's 4-wheelers on it and because I know y'all didn't get that joke because okay.
CLA foreign exchange students, European. Champagne is European. All of my bitches peeing. $1,100. Now my toilet is Viva cleaking. I just called up the weekend and told them call off the weekend. I call 100 bitches and all of them Puerto Rican. I am the Wolfpack.
Wait, you said none of them Puerto Rican?
100 of them bitches is Puerto Rican.
Oh, okay. Well, I was like, damn.
None of them bitches is Puerto Rican. He got beef with the Puerto Rican.
I was like, damn, bro. What's your
Boricuas will be on his ass. I'm not gonna lie.
Boricua,
You think?
That was good.
A little bit.
It
needs work. It needs work.
If I went behind a Spanish
it was
shorty,
there. It was there.
If I went behind a Hispanic shorty, like, and I saw busted for those, like, she gonna throw it back on me.
Niggas will look at you and like laugh at you first, and then they would just start talking mad shit in Spanish.
You said, tonto. Adios, mío.
Nah, but Puerto Ricans and whites or Puerto Ricans and blacks. What do you think? What community's gonna like stay together more?
White people like Hispanics though.
They do.
Black people like Hispanics too though.
Alright, but there's always a little bit of beef between the blacks and the Spanish, even though like niggas is niggas.
There is a little beef in the black and Spanish community, and white people do like some Hispanic people. I think Hispanic people do like some white people too.
So which community will be stronger, white and Puerto Rican or black and Puerto Rican?
Probably white and Puerto Rican because they can sustain the community longer.
So white people because it's a cash grab and they gonna go back to get piped by black people.
All up the weekend. I call 100 bitches and all of them Puerto Rican. I am the wolf on Wall Street, penny stock flipper. The one that went up in Interscope and left for 7 figures. Managed to keep it real in every one of his
Interscope gave this man 7 what?
Yeah,
7 action figures?
Listen to it. Yeah, listen to it.
Nah, niggas.
all of them Puerto Rican. I am the wolf on Wall Street, penny stock flipper. The one that went up in Interscope and left for 7 figures. Managed to keep.
He's talking to you. He's talking to you specifically.
Why?
Because I feel like you was down his abilities, and he went in the scope. He said, "Yo, 7 figures." They was like, "I bet, take it," and then bang bang.
Yeah. I mean, look, they got the money to give you 7 figures. Impress those men.
So
my
opinion,
opinion,
those men.
Yeah. Me, I'm just, you feel me, doing my thing, and we doing our thing, and then that's it. Look, 7 figures for your talent. If I was in that position, I would have been on the party voting no. Like, nah, not 7 figures. Definitely could sign him. Not 7 figures though. Starting out, nah. Well,
But why then? If Murder B can get 7 figures starting out, why can't MGK?
ooh, Murder B got what?
They said she signed for like $1 million or over $1 million.
Whoa.
With Sony, I think.
Well, either they're taking majority of that money. You know, oh, you gotta pay for your studio time. You gotta do this. You gotta pay for this. You gotta pay out. You feel me? I don't know, but $1 million for Murder B, that's kind of crazy. I'm not gonna lie. But shout out to everybody that attained the 7-figure deal. Word too. Not everybody gets that.
Penny stock flipper,
That's
one
crazy.
that went up in the scope and left for 7 figures. Managed to keep it real and everyone
Nigga,
of
that
his
nigga
lyrics
can get
now
7,
I
I
can
could
see.
get 10 or better.
Damn, what is this nigga got smoke with?
Nah.
You want to end up on a Funk Flex freestyle?
Yeah, nah, word too, I will.
No, I'm saying you want to end up on one of his Funk Flex freestyles. Because he disses people on his Funk Flex freestyles.
Nah, I mean, we can do that next, fuck it.
Okay.
I mean, he dissed Eminem, so I know he on that.
Okay. So you want that too?
From the X. Yo, look, I'm not gonna say too much, but look at the time zone. I'm from New York. You know what time I'm on. Can't say.
Say it, but you know I'm that motherfucking.
What's up?
Cleveland, know what's up, baby?
In the scope and left for 7 figures. Managed to keep it real in every one of his lyrics. Now I can't say it, but you know I'm that motherfucking.
He says that off camera all the time, probably. You know that. You know that.
How you go about that?
He said how I feel about that?
Keep it real in every one of his lyrics. Now I can't say it, but you know I'm that motherfucking.
Nigga. He wanted to say it so bad. He says it regularly. You know he. What's up, my nigga? Like, you feel me? Ohio shit, you feel me? Ohio niggas probably sanctioning.
Yeah.
Yeah. And you feel me? He just probably go through life just saying nigga. Yeah. I mean, to be honest, I don't really resonate with people like calling black people nigga, like, you feel me? Like, even if niggas give you the black card and then niggas sanction you, it's just like you're your own race. Like, why don't you not say that? How about you call somebody from your race, you feel me, the local name or whatever? Like, I don't know, like niggas like Asian saying nigga, and like, you feel me, certain shit like that. Like, I should be like, it will catch you off guard. You feel me? And certain places, like, they not going for that. Like, you feel me? Like, black people would not go for that. Like, wait, what? This little... Yeah. I don't know.
Nah, but you know, it's right. It's just, I didn't know he said this song. Yeah, I mean, I used to not really care at a point because I just go off of a certain mindset of like not letting words affect me in a general state. But as time progressed, I definitely realized how much it does make me just be like, you know. But like you said, if other black people have sanctioned you, then your reference point is that, you know what I'm saying? So it's like, sometimes you do have to look at least for a person's from, right? So you see a person who grew up in the suburbs, say a person grew up in the suburbs of Long Island, they barely see black people, and you saying the N-word. Like, all right, that's a different story. All you did was watch YouTube videos and listen to music, and now you think you sanctioned to say the N-word. You know what I'm saying? So it do be differences, because I ain't gonna lie. MGK come up to you and say, yeah, I said the N-word.
Bro, I'm not gonna punch that nigga or nothing, like, you feel me?
Nah, but
It's just like,
I'm saying he presses you about it though. Like, yeah, I said the N-word.
nigga, bro, I'll just tell that man, like, why the hell do you gotta use that word? Like, you're not from the culture, you feel me? You probably grew up in the same area, but you're not from the culture. So I feel like black people should have the exclusive right to that word. You feel me? But at the same time, the word nigga has like a bad connotation to it anyway. So should we even be calling each other nigga? I don't know. That's up to you to decide. You know what I'm saying?
We gotta make a new word.
Jigga. Nah, that's Hov.
Sponge.
Sponge. You my sponge? Yo, my sponge.
You what's up, my sponge?
Yo, sponge.
Spongy.
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 What would I do that you my spongy?
Spongy.
Managed to keep it real in every one of his lyrics. Now I can say it, but you know I'm that motherfucking
Sponge.
What's up?
That little ring to it.
You know what I'm saying? You know I'm that sponge.
Back and see me low
You know
back and
that
see me
sponge.
clip. I ain't average,
Ain't
man.
nobody
I produce
bigger.
gasoline
No
when I
bigger
spit.
sponge.
Put fire verses on trampolines and I make a flip. Life on the edge like I built a mezzanine on the cliff. I'm just talking now cause it ain't even 10 in the morning. That means I wrote this at the same time everybody on it. That means while you was eating cereal, I was recording. I'm 23 and in my prime, that means I'm Michael Jordan. Who the motherfucker still broke? You. Never hustle, never will blow. You. Who's the latest underrated in the game and who's the greatest? The answer's my motherfucking name. True. Trap is hot, the trap is hot. The 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 trap is hot, the trap is hot.
Beat would go crazy, right? Yeah. The beat hard. Nah, the beat hard. You right.
No, niggas let this piano play.
The beat was mad fire. Shout out to Hov. Well, shout out Hov's engineer and producer.
J Dilla.
Is it J Dilla?
I don't know. I know the trap is hot.
R.I.P. real niggas.
Okay. But yeah, that was MGK, State of Mind Freestyle. You running down and downloading those?
Bro. Nigga, bro, what? I don't know, bro. Bro, I'm not gonna lie, MGK sounds like niggas that be rapping in the hood. Like, you feel me? I know somebody in Brooklyn that rap exactly like this nigga. I be thinking at him like, it's cool.
Yeah, it's fire, bro.
Yeah, it's cool. Yeah. Art is subjective. See?
Art is subjective. Art is subjective, though.
Yeah. But yeah, I'm definitely not running to do anything with this song. I wouldn't consider this song as you feel me, anything. Shout outs to MGK. He's still a prevalent name till this day. So shout outs to him, whatever he's doing. As far as this song goes, I'm not feeling it at all. Like, you feel me? Like BMG says, nigga, I don't hate you as a character. I'm just saying this specific song is just not it.
It's not cutting it.
Yeah, you feel me? For me personally, that shit garnered like what, a couple million views or 100,000 views. Yeah, man. So you feel me? My son doing his thing.
17K.
I was mistaken. Hold on. I was giving him the benefit of the doubt.
Nah, but this is not his. This is like some random channel though. So like,
Okay.
they got 17K on his random channel.
Random channel got 17K.
See, look, why was it removed anyway? So somebody probably removed it, or you know what I'm saying? Maybe the original one got removed. Or who knows? You feel me?
I mean, look, people was asking for it in the comments, like, why is it removed? Like, people was daily listening to
it every day, like, yo, the trap is hot, ha ha. The trap is hot, ha ha. You know what I'm saying?
And his favorite line, he was saying something like, he won't blow you, some shit like that.
See, once again, he didn't say that. We hear about you.
Nah, that's what he said. I mean, you could hear it.
Heard about him. Yeah, that's going to do it for this episode of Rundown Reacts. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel. You know what I'm saying? Turn on the post notifications, every time we drop a new damn video for me. But if you're outside, make sure you follow Taylor Elajas on the gram, ELAJAS, with Taylor in the front.
And it's your boy, Big View on the come in. Add me at Zapeg Studios, ZAEPEG STUDIOS. Bow.
side. What you want to take about the quote?
Yo, this is the quote of the year. Keep going. Because if he got signed for 7 figures, imagine what you could do. It's the best quote of the year. Keep going. Actually, this video serves as motivation. Because, bro, clearly niggas is giving out the bread to anybody at this point.
Damn, bruh. Shout out MGK, man.
Shout out MGK, though, gangster. He doing his thing. But, you know what the deal is?
Look, read a book like Lil John. You know I'm gon' cook. You know I gotta go up. SB sidebar. You know I gotta see a little thicky at the bar. I'ma pull up. You know I gotta go up. Gonna pull up. Little squeezy. Do it easy. Little baby, throw it back. Don't tease me. Just please me. Be greasy. Get easty, you know I'm gonna flip it like Lil Flip. But you know I gotta flip up the top on the roof. I see stars, you know I'm a star like Power, Lil 50, Lil Cent. Like Cent, multiply it, I'm the best. I got a pint of the lemonade, not the wacky, but she moving real rocky. You know I gotta hit it real stocky. From the back I do a cocky, cause she gotta get the stick. That's the candy, Lil. And I'm not gonna say bitch.
Look, I get money like I'm Mitch. Faster than a pitch. Look. She pitching it, and I'm whipping it. I'm flipping it.
Vivid on the track.
She getting it.